Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Shreesha here. In today's video, I will be reviewing all you need collection of 8 essential makeup brushes for minimalist and artist in you makeup brushes from PAC. This is PAC X JOVITA collection. This is how the outer box looks like, and you definitely have all the 8 brushes mentioned and the usage of the same. Inside you definitely get a travel pouch along with this. This is quite spacious, and I just love the holographic look that is given to this. It has a nice zip quality, I must tell you all, and it is superb spacious. I have used all the 8 brushes in this video. If you want to see my in-depth review, keep on watching. Initially, I never picked the PAC X Jovita's brush collection. I picked this recently when it was relaunched, and I am really happy, and I am now thinking, why was I sleeping on this brush collection for a very long time. And I also feel that this brush collection is any time way better than PAC Sarah collection. I mean, no offense, but I really didn't like their brush set that much. The blushes were good, no doubt. The setting spray is amazing, but the only problem with the brush were the handles. They were super slippery, but this doesn't give that at all. And I mean, I feel that this brush set is any time way better than the other creators collaboration with PAC. Let me be honest and tell you, I bought this collection just to compare how good or how bad it is because of the previous experience of mine, and I'm super happy that I got this brush set. Let's put these brushes to test. First things first, let's prep our skin really well. I have used a moisturizer. Now I'm using the Maybelline primer. This is their face base smooth and blur primer. You must have been wondering why I posted a video all this while. That is because I had a wrist muscle tear on my right hand being the dominant hand. I couldn't do a lot of work. This is how the concealer buffer brush looks. So soft. I really enjoy the bristles. I mean, like in general, PAC makes amazing brushes, and to hold it doesn't feel slippery when compared to PAC with Sarah's collection. The brush handles were slippery. That was a big bummer, but this doesn't feel so. And this brush definitely fits so well under the eyes, on the corners of your nose, and even if you want to contour a particular area, this brush is a very good fit. I mean, in terms of size as well as the density. I shall link all the products that I use in this video in the description box. Definitely go have a look at it. I'm using the concealer brush and start buffing. Oh, this feels so soft, and can you just see, just 2 taps and the concealer is blending very well. Wow, this is why I love PAC brushes. They are affordable and does a high-end job. Wow, like look at it. This is the real time blending. Let's blend under the eyes. I must say that first impressions, I just love the way this blends, and the handle isn't slippery at all. This is how the foundation kabuki brush looks like. We also get a brush guard, which is really good so that it will definitely maintain its shape. And look at the bristles, they're so soft, and the density is quite good. Now let's quickly apply foundation using the foundation buffer brush. I have taken the foundation. This is from PAC, and just like to gently just distribute the foundation all over my face first. Wow, like look at this, it blends so well. Just blending one half of my face just to compare how beautiful this brush is blending the foundation into the skin, and also giving a very natural skin like finish. I just love it. There are no brush strokes, so this is a very good plus point, and also fits very well under the eyes as well as on the sides of your nose. Like, you really need to blend your foundation here. Wow, like you just need to, maybe like 10 times, you just need to bounce the foundation brush on your face, and then you're done. Like, the foundation just melts into the skin. I just love the way this brush feels on the skin. No poking, no tugging, again no brush strokes. Wow, amazing. On this side of my face, I want to sweep the foundation and see if there are any brush strokes, and not surprised, no brush strokes at all. If you want to apply a thin layer of foundation, all you need to do is just hold your foundation brush at the end so that the pressure is very minimum, and then just blend it. This brush is superb because it has a nice curve. Even if you're holding at the end of the brush, you still have some grip, and it, like, it just doesn't slip off. And then you apply your foundation. This gives a very natural finish. This foundation brush is amazing. Even if you have a concealer that sets quickly, do not worry, this brush is to rescue. I am using a Flower Beauty concealer, and this definitely does set quickly, but as you all can see, this blends in no time. I mean, all credit goes to this brush. Next, we have this powder brush. This is a multi-use brush. You can use it for all your powders, maybe like, setting on your under eyes or all over the face. Blush, contour, highlight, just to flick off the fallouts from eyeshadow. This does the job. I'm using a loose powder from Mars, and then just gently taking it on the brush, tap off the excess, and just setting my under eyes. It sits under eyes so well. I like the size and shape. This is so good. Applying a cream blush using this foundation brush. Oops, that was like a tongue twister. Cream blush using a foundation brush. Blush and brush. Ooh. Oops, you really didn't have to put a lot of efforts, as you can clearly see. It just blends in no time. These brushes are so good. You will definitely see me traveling with this brush set a lot. Okay, just a thought. If you want to see a side-by-side comparison with the PAC X Sarah collection as well as PAC X JOVITA collection, do let me know in the comments. Now let's quickly bronze the face. For that I'm using this concealer brush and just applying the bronzer on the hollows of my cheekbone just to see how precisely it can bronze or contour one's face. To cut those double chin, I'm using the foundation brush again because it blends the product very well, and also it has a large area, so you really do not have to uh, go back and forth with the product, and it's very easy to blend, and it also is a time saving for that matter. Next to a highlight, I'm using this powder brush and using the tip of the brush to apply the highlighter, and there you can see it applies so beautifully. It definitely gives a very precise application. That is a very good thing. You can definitely add highlighter on the high points of your face where the light naturally hits. Now let's move on to eyes. I have 5 brushes. This is a nice pencil brush, very precise application, and smudging your lower lash line. This is very good for that. Next we have this angled liner brush. This is a multi-use brush. You can use it to fill your brows, do a nice wing liner. This is very good, and also if you want to smudge the lower lash line, this is also quite helpful. Next we have this crease blender brush. This is a medium size blender brush, eyeshadow blender brush, so it fits very well in the crease, so it is very nice. Can't wait to try all of this. Next we have a eyeshadow pack brush. If you want to, like, press in any pigments or any shimmer eyeshadows, be it matte also, you can gently press tap this. And then last we have a cream precision brush. So this is also a multi-purpose brush. You can definitely apply your lipstick with this, or highlight your inner corners with this, highlight your brow bone with this. Okay, so let me know, are you guys still in that time wherein we used to highlight the eyebrows? Do you guys still do that? Do let me know in the comments. I feel I used to do that a lot back when I was watching Shanek. So I am a huge follower of Shanek. So, and I just love the way she used to, like, highlight her eyebrow arc, and I always used to do that, but now I really don't do that. Do you guys do that, or have you guys ever done that? Do let me know in the comments. I just love this crease eyeshadow brush. It fits in so beautifully and blends so well. You really do not have to put in a lot of efforts. If you are a beginner, then I would highly recommend this brush set. This does half your job very well. You really do not have to struggle with blending, be it face brushes or eye brushes. This is really good. I am using Swiss Beauty Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette. This has a nice matte shades as well as shimmer shades. I am taking a darker brown shade on the same brush, applying on the outer V, and then just blending into the crease. Next, I am taking this eyeshadow packer brush and then just applying. Wow, do you see that pigment? Whoops. Wow. Usually brushes do not deposit this much of a pigment and this is doing a great job, I must say. Wow, I am glad that I got this brush set. Wow, superb. Like, can you just see? I am in love with this brush set. So now taking this pencil puffer brush, taking the dark brown eyeshadow again, and then just intensifying the outer V of the eye. Wow, this brush is so good with precise application. Wow, I just love this. I know I've been telling that I love this brush set a lot. I mean, I I genuinely mean it. Using a lighter brown on the same eyeshadow brush and applying it on the lower lash line, just here. Okay, so off camera I have applied kajal and mascara. Now just taking this angled liner brush and then just defining my inner corner of the eyes using a very light pink shade. Wow, this looks good. I'm just loving the way my eye makeup is looking. Also, I just decided to just pull this liner till here. I've made sure that I have used all the brushes in this video. The last brush is this cream precision brush. If you want to spot conceal, this brush is very good. What I will be doing is just smudging the lip liner that I have applied. This is from Rimmel. I am just feathering out the lip liner and will be applying a liquid lipstick using this brush. If you are a makeup artist and looking for that one particular lip brush, then I would highly recommend this, because this has so much precision and has a very nice shape, and this applies the lipstick so well. Here's the completed look using the entire brush set from PAC X JOVITA collection. My final thoughts on this brush set is that it is a must-have in everybody's kit, be it a beginner or a professional. As the tagline says, it is for all, and you really need these 8 brushes is what I feel. It is quite easy to travel with. You definitely get a pouch along with it, and the brush quality, the bristles, the handle, the design, the color, everything is so nice and so good. All I need to tell is just go grab yours before this gets sold out. Final question: do I recommend this brush set? Of course, yes. If you liked today's video, remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell for further updates.